Hello students, so here we are in electrical machines lab today and we are going to start with our machines lab practical. Before we start with the machines lab practical, let me explain you how the electrical supply comes in the form of AC and how we convert it into DC. Because during many practicals in this semester we are going to use DC supply and as well AC supply, but I'll explain you both. AC supply we directly get from MSCB, so let me explain you the setup we have in our laboratory. We have MSCB supply, three-phase supply coming to our lab, and here is the switch. So I will switch on the switch. This is the turn off position, this is the off position, and I'll just switch it on. Okay, so now this is switched on. The supply goes to this panel. Now this is the AC panel which is connected here. Now this is the AC panel you can see here, and you will find there are number of switches on this panel. Basically we have 17 tables in our lab and each switch is connected to each table here. Okay, this is our electrical machines lab and we have 17 tables in this lab, and here are the 17 switches you can say which is connected to each table. Accordingly we can give AC supply to each table. Alright, now what I'll do is I'll first of all switch on the supply to the AC panel through this. Okay, now the supply is given to this AC panel. Now you can see that this R, Y and B LEDs, three-phase LEDs are glowing here. Okay, and you can see the three-phase voltage in the voltmeter connected. Ammeter is showing you 0 reading because right now no experiment is on, no current is drawn, and that is why ammeter is showing you 0 reading. But voltage you can see easily 400 volts approximately. Okay, so to get the DC supply, first of all you need to give supply to rectifier, and for that AC supply to the rectifier will be switched on. Yeah, this is switched on now. Okay, now see the switch to the rectifier is on and then supply to the rectifier is on. So we will go to the rectifier. Now this is our rectifier which is kept in our laboratory. Okay, to switch on the rectifier, first of all I will switch it on. You can see the switch here, and this is okay. Now the switch is on. See the rectifier switch is on, and you can see again LED is glowing here. Okay, but you can see the voltmeter and ammeter is showing you 0 reading because I haven't given any voltage to the rectifier. So let's give the voltage to the rectifier. So now I am increasing the voltage, AC voltage to the rectifier, and hence you will find that the voltmeter will be showing you some readings. So as I am increasing the voltage, see, as I am changing the position of the regulator, you will find the voltmeter is showing you some readings, and I will give it up to 220. This is 200. I will give a little more, and this is 220. Yeah. Okay. So I have given this 220 supply. See, isn't it 220? All right. So as soon as I'll give this 220 from the rectifier, I'll go to DC panel. Now this is our DC panel. The supply is given to DC panel, and again you will find that there are some switches on the DC panel as well. And as you want DC supply on that particular table, you will just switch on the supply. You will just switch on the switch here, and you will get supply on that particular table. So we have almost AC supply and DC supply given to each and every table, and you can use as per your requirement. Like for example, I want to use DC supply on table number 6, so or just a table number of 7. I want to use DC supply table number 7. I'll just switch it on, and you see the LED of table number 7 is glowing. So this is how you can give supply to your particular table. Okay, I will switch off right now because I don't need any DC supply right now. Okay, this is how I will switch on. After completion of the practical, we will switch off everything as we have switched it on. So I have switched off the DC supply switch. Then I'll go to rectifier. Okay, I'll move the regulator so that I will get 0 output. So I'm doing that. Okay, and then I'll switch off it from here. Okay, so switches off from rectifier. Then I'll again go back here to the AC panel. I'll switch off the rectifier switch and then I will switch off the main switch once my practical is done. Alright, so thank you so much. Let's meet for our first practical, that is open circuit and short circuit on a 3-phase transformer.